Ryan, this is my older brother, Kevin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Nice to meet you too.
Kevin, we've known each other since school started. Ryan is my most intimate friend at school. I don't know what I would do without his help. He certainly knows his stuff when it comes to science.
Congrats. You made a good choice. As the old saying goes, a friend who shares is a friend who cares.
Ryan, Kevin is keen on going on a trip.
Good heavens. I'm keen on traveling too. I particularly like camping trips.
I'm excited to hear that. Anyway, shall I take you home on my way?
Are you for real? I am thrilled to bits about the offer.
This is what I can do for you. How has been the first week at school?
It has been perfect.
Thank goodness.
How do you get to school every day?
I usually go to school by bike.
Seriously? I suppose it takes time.
I find riding a bicycle better than taking a bus or taxi.
How come?
It's cheap, convenient, and comfortable, but above all, it helps me keep fit and healthy. You?
My father takes me to school 3 times a week, and I take a train for the rest of the week.
I don't doubt that the train is an excellent way of commuting.
You can say that again. They are fast and have a reasonable fare. Why don't you take a train instead?
Honestly, it's far from my house.
How far does it take to get there?
More or less 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers? Poor thing.
Is there a train station near your house?
Yeah, it runs right by my house.
Lucky you.
What about taking a bus?
Nope. They're horrible. Too slow and so crowded, exceptionally during school times. By the time I arrive at school, I will die of thirst and tiredness.
So, remember to wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
Definitely. Thanks for your advice.
Thank you for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video.